Hello students, today we will learn about computer, which is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. It is used almost everywhere. A computer helps us to do many things. We can draw pictures, type letters, play games, solve sums, watch movies and cartoons, listen to music. Students, let us discuss computer versus man. A computer works very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. A man needs more time to do any work as compared to a computer. A computer has a good memory. It never forgets anything that is stored in it. A man may forget the information stored in his mind. A computer does not make any mistake. A man can make mistakes. A computer cannot take its own decisions. A man can take his own decisions. A computer works on a man's orders. A man does not need any order to work. A computer does not have any feelings. For example, if you hit a monitor, it does not react. A man has feelings. For example, if you get hurt, you feel it. Let's understand the working of computer. A computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures, and instructions into the computer to make it work. These are called data. Different parts of a computer do different tasks. A computer works in 3 basic steps. Input, blunt pencil. Process, sharpening. Output, sharp pencil. Input, dirty clothes. Process, washing. Output, clean clothes. Students, let us understand these steps by taking an example of our body. When a teacher asks us a question, we hear with our ears and see with our eyes. The ears and eyes are the input units. Our brain stores everything that a teacher says. Then it thinks of an answer and orders us to speak. In this way, the brain works like a processing unit. When we answer with our mouth, it works like an output unit. Input. The data and instructions that we enter into a computer are called input. We input data using a keyboard and a mouse. Process. Working on the data is called processing. The CPU works on the data and does all the thinking and calculations. Output. Output means the final result. When the CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed on the monitor. Monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Okay, let us understand the working of computer with an example. The data and instructions together are the input. Here 2 and 5 are the data and plus is the instruction. Now the CPU will work on the data according to the instructions. That is, it will add the numbers 2 and 5. 7 is the correct result or output of the sum 2 plus 5, that is equal to 7. Input 2, 5 plus Process 2 plus 5. Output 7. What are the advantages of computer? Teaching. It helps the teachers to get information on any topic on the internet as well as present it nicely. Storage capacity. It stores a large amount of information. Multitasking. It can do many tasks at the same time. For example, you can listen to music while typing a letter on a computer. Automation. A computer can work in an automatic way. This makes our work less prone to errors. Electronic presentation. Text and pictures in a computer can be presented in a beautiful way. Moreover, these can be edited whenever needed. Calculation. A computer can perform complex calculations without making any mistake. Entertainment. It is a good source of entertainment for the children. Speed. A computer works very fast without getting tired. Now let me tell you what are the disadvantages of computer. Decisions. A computer works on human orders as it cannot take its own decisions. Impact on environment. A computer depends on electricity. To generate electricity, a lot of fuel is burnt in power plants that causes pollution. Cybercrime. Use of internet may also increase the number of crimes like stealing of data, banking frauds, etc. Costly. It is a costly device. Virus attacks. Your computer system is prone to virus. If attacked, it may not function as desired. Health. Working for a long time on a computer may affect the eyesight and physical growth of the children.